Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have something a little different for you. This isn't a restaurant review, this is a product review. We were lucky enough to come in contact with a great company named Sweet Smokie Joe. At Sweet Smokie Joe, they make some excellent rubs and they make some barbecue sauces.
We've been working with them for a little bit and they're so yummy. So we wanted to share with you our favorite ones.
All right, let me tell you the backstory. So randomly out of the blue, I get contacted by Stan from Sweet Smokie Joe. Stan says, hey, I have a proposition for you. Let me send you out some of my stuff. Let me send you out some barbecue sauces. Let me send you out some rubs, everything free of charge, and try them out. Cook with them, use them in your personal life. If you think that they're garbage, throw them away and you'll never hear from me again. No strings attached. We never have to talk about it again. But if you think that they're good, pass it along to your friends and see what you think. So Babe and I have been experimenting with them, and we can tell you that we're pretty impressed.
We love them.
They're really good.
So good.
So although we have another tri-tip video on our channel, we'll link that above, we wanted to do a tri-tip today, a little reverse sear tri-tip on the Weber Kettle using the Sweet Smokie Joe to show you guys the product, to just explain how good it is. We're gonna do a little blending today. It's gonna be awesome. So it's a little quick video, a little product review. We're really impressed with our product, and yeah. So without further ado, let's jump into this cook. And here we go! All right, so we got our piece of tri-tip. I got this, it was $2.88 a pound, untrimmed. So I sat there, I trimmed it up, and I salted it. I left it uncovered in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, kind of a dry brine method. I wanna have that salt penetrate into the meat. I want that moisture to come out, pat it dry, get all that moisture out. And now we're gonna use the Sweet Smokie Joe beef and pork rub. I can't even talk today, I'm so excited. We're gonna use the Sweet Smokie Joe beef and pork rub. And then we're gonna do a little, because Babe loves it spicy, right Babe?
Oh, I love spicy like you, Babe.
And we're gonna add in a little Creole kick. And we're gonna do a little combination blend of it. And we're gonna season this up. We're gonna do it on the Weber Kettle. All right, so we're gonna start off by just, again, salted. We're gonna start off, this is our beef and pork rub. And we wanna get that real, I love this stuff. So I'll go nuts with it. So now we have our beef and pork rub. Now just a little bit of Creole kick. Because Babe wants that little bit of heat in the tri-tip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this hang out. We're gonna let it come up to temperature a little bit. We're gonna let this rub sweat in as we get our pit together. All right, so the quick plan of action, we're gonna get our Weber Kettle up to about 225, 250 degrees, right around there. We're gonna lay the tri-tip down. We're gonna bring it up to 90 degrees. We're gonna flip it to promote some even cooking. We're gonna bring it up to 120 degrees internal using our little internal thermometer. Then we're gonna get our Weber Kettle stacked up with charcoal, real hot. We're gonna sear it off for 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. We're gonna wrap it in foil. We're gonna wrap it in a beach towel. We're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes, and it's gonna be the perfect, juiciest, medium rare. And I feel like that Sweet Smokie Joe beef and pork rub and mixed in with that Creole kick, it's gonna have just the right amount of spice and it's gonna be fantastic. That's the game plan, let's go. All right, gonna be using a little cherry wood for this one. And our pit is at 225 right now. So we're gonna lay this big old 3-pound indirect.
In this damp beach towel?
Yeah, babe, that's its papoose.
It's a papoose?
Well, it's actually...
for like 45 minutes.
Well, it's wrapped in foil.
Okay. Well, you wrapped it up, obviously.
It's double foiled and beach towel.
So you're kind of just letting it chillax.
Chillax.
As the kids say.
For like 30 or 40 minutes.
Chillaxing.
And then we're gonna cut into it and you're gonna see juices like you've never seen before.
Wow.
Got it! All right. Seriously, you guys, we're about to cut it. You gotta cut against the grain, of course. So we're gonna cut it right now. And I haven't even cut it yet. I promise you, this is gonna be the juiciest tri-tip. And that Sweet Smokie Joe with the beef and pork rub, and then...
Ooh, I'm so excited for the Creole.
Oh, the Creole kick on it. It's gonna have that little bit of spice. Oh,
Yeah.
Mama no. All right, watch this cut. We're gonna do a little taste test. You guys, seriously, order this stuff. We have a little discount code. What is it? JNB10?
Yeah.
JNB10. You go to their website, get 10% off. It's basically, I mean, it's damn near free shipping at that point.
Yeah.
So, it's a good product.
No, we love it.
American made.
So good.
Yeah. So, anyways, and they didn't even pay us to say that.
No, we love them.
I know, we just love them.
Yeah.
All right, watch this cut.
Beef and pork Creole cake. It is so tender. That is yummy, babe. That is yummy. Juicy, flavorful, a little bit of spice. Oh, it's perfect. I love it. This is good.
Sweet Smokie Joe, shout out to you. That tri-tip was amazing with the cherry wood, reverse sear tri-tip. You saw the juices, incredible. The family's going nuts in there. 3 children scarfing it down. Babe is scarfing it down. And we're watching Battle of the Kitchens. We're having a great Saturday night. Anyways, you guys, check it out. Look below in the links. Awesome discount. That's it. That's what I gotta say. Springtime, feels like summertime, and we love you all. If you like this channel, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's just having fun. We're just a hobby. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.